Good morning, friends. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Mr. Lawat. Today, in my English podcast, we are going to discuss about how can we improve our speaking English. It's not easy, but we are going to make it very easy. So, hey guys, tell me how can we improve our reading speaking skill? It's very important in this modern era. Please tell us.
uh, People really give importance to English speaking nowadays, and to if you want to speak fluently in English, you need to practice a lot for that. And for first of all, you need to initiate. If you are like, I'm nervous, I can't speak, and I don't want to speak, it doesn't help you. You need to start. If you start, you will gradually adopt the speaking techniques, and it will help you a lot.
Yes, so very good. What she told us that we have to follow any criteria to speak regularly. Aji, tell us about how can we improve our speaking skill.
For improving our English speaking skills, it is a gradual process which can be improved by practice and confidence. So first you have to build confidence on yourself. No matter whether you make the mistake or not, you are able to speak in front of anybody. So first try to improve your confidence in yourself, and with that the other important thing that you have to initiate in yourself is the practice. Try to listen the English speakers, and try to initiate the conversation with your friends in English. Firstly, it will be hard for you, but with the time, you are easily able to understand this all thing, and your mind will adapt all these things.
Very good. First of all, we first have to confident. First, we ourselves have to become confident. Then everything can come automatically. Here, do speaking English follow any habit formation? Do English speaking follow any habit formation? Please tell us.
Yes, it does follow a habit formation. If you start to talk with your friends in English, and this will help you to make a habit in speaking in English. So if you don't start, then it is not possible. But once you start to do it every day, consistent practice, and it will help you to create a mindset that you can easily speak English. So first, to remove that fear that you can't, just you can and you will.
Miss Yasasvi, tell us what habits should we follow to improve our speaking skill?
To improve our speaking skills, first, as she told us, we have to initiate the conversation with our friends in English. Firstly, it will be awkward, but with the time you will be get adapted toward these things, and try to record yourself in videos also, and you will find your mistakes, and the mistake in your voice modulations, and the mistakes in your vocabulary. And please try to read a lot, because reading will lead you to get better vocabs. So read English articles, English newspaper, and the novels of some famous author. This all will help you to increase your English vocab, and will also help you to get the right sentence forming. So I want to tell this. And
Yes, English speaking is not very easy. It's hard not to bite here. We need to do regular practice. First of all, what we have to do, just I am telling here, first we have to grave and develop a vocabulary. Maximum vocab that are using in daily lives. Laterally, just have to understand the grammatical tense, modal, active, passive, etc. And laterally, you have to practice regularly. Watch movie, English subtitle, English video, English commentary, whatever you can watch, you can watch. Yes, and do that practice. First of all, you face not confident to speak someone in front of that. Just try to speak in front of the mirror, in front of the wall, and show your confidence in front of that. When you become confident, everything you can achieve, you can speak. It's not tough, but first you have to come out with your confidence, and confidence bring you because confidence comes with interest, and by which you can achieve easily. Both of the talented girl who spoke fluently with me here and shared your good message to everyone. Please like, share, subscribe my YouTube channel. It will be helpful for everyone to improve your skill. Thank you.